Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDcat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. The first MCQ is protein synthesized in a cell are converted into finished product by A. Ribosomes, B. Endoplasmic reticulum, C. Golgi apparatus, D. Lysosome. So the correct option is Golgi apparatus. The next MCQ is most proteins are made up of types of amino acid A 25, B 170, C 20, D 280. So the correct option is C 20. The next MCQ is it is not true about enzyme A. They increase rate of reaction without being used. C. They can they can change nature of end product. C. They are required in small amount. D. They lower activation energy of reaction. So the correct option is B. They can change nature of end products. The next MCQ is the competitive inhibitors competes with A. Enzyme, B. cofactor, C. Substrate, and D. coenzyme. The correct option is C. Substrate. The next MCQ is Krebs cycle occur in A. Matrix of mitochondria, B. Xylem tissue of higher plants, C. Nucleus of all prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, and D. All of above. So the correct option is A. Matrix of mitochondria. The next MCQ is ethylene oxide kills all microbes and endospores but require exposures A 4 to 18 hours, B 4 to 18 minutes, C 4 to 18 days, and D 4 to 14 hours. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is the only phylum include engrade bacteria, engrade radiata is A. Cnidaria, B. Eschelmentis, C. Platyhelminthes, and D. Porifera. So the correct option is Cnidaria. The next MCQ is rough endoplasmic reticulum is marked by the A. Absence of ribosome, B. Presence of ribosome, C. Absence of cisternia, and D. Presence of cisternia. So the correct option is B. Presence of ribosome. The next MCQ is the most common fuel used by the cell to provide energy by cellular respiration is A. Maltose, B. Sucrose, C. Fructose, and D. Glucose. So the correct option is D. Glucose. The next MCQ is some enzyme require helper which is a non-protein part for its efficient functioning that is called A. Accelerator, B. Cofactor, C. Prosthetic group, and D. Apoenzyme. So the correct option is B. Cofactor. The next MCQ is which one of the following involves two photosystems: A. Cyclic phosphorylation, B. Oxidative phosphorylation, C. Photophosphorylation, and D. Non-cyclic phosphorylation. So the correct option is D. Non-cyclic phosphorylation. The next MCQ is following are the means of transmission of AIDS except A. Intimate sexual contact and breastfeeding, B. Use of common syringes and surgical instruments, C. Blood transfusion without screening, and D. Human immunodeficiency virus. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is in which of the following animals placenta is formed? A. Prototherians, B. Metatherians, C. Eutherians, and D. All of these. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is the second largest phylum of invertebrates is A. Arthropods, B. Mollusca, and D. Annelida. So the correct option is B. Mollusca. The next MCQ is the basic framework of plasma membrane consists of A. Globular proteins, B. Glycoproteins, C. Glycolipids, and D. Phospholipids. So the correct option is D. Phospholipids. The next MCQ is a disaccharide of glucose and fructose is called A. Maltose, B. Lactulose, C. Sucrose, and D. Lactose. So the correct option is C. Sucrose. The next MCQ is the range of pH on which Most of the enzyme work best as A 4 to 5, B 6 to 7, C 7 to 8, and D 8 to 10. So the correct option is C 7 to 8. The next MCQ is Krebs cycle starts with the entry of A pyruvate, B acetate, C acetyl coenzyme, and D succinyl coenzyme. So the correct option is C acetyl coenzyme. Thanks for joining me. I hope these and MDCat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.